Hey guys, good morning. My work got canceled today because of the storm. It's actually let down a little bit. It's not raining as hard, but the wind is pretty fierce out there today. Yeah. It has like 100% chance of rain. You don't see that very often. Yeah, what? So we're just out here enjoying the rain in our little, entryway. But, hi. Yeah. But it's pretty windy. Just sitting here, a couple branches fell, and man, the tops of those trees are just whipping back and forth. We're supposed to clean out a storage unit today, and we've been going back and forth. Hello, hello. I like your costume. What are you? But it's nice to be able to wake up. I didn't know I wasn't working or not until this morning. So it's nice to wake up kind of thinking you're gonna work, and then you get the day off. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Are you drinking your coffee?
Yummy.
Yeah, yummy, yummy, yay. So we had a nice couple days though. The last like 3 days have been super warm, perfect days. And we've been looking at the weather. We knew this day was coming with the rain. Yesterday it started in the evening, and then all night, and then now it's kind of fun watching the top of the trees whip back and forth. So I wouldn't be surprised if a tree fell or top of a tree fell. You see your socks? Where's your other foot? Yay! Yeah. What do you think about the storm?
Huh?
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
Yeah, we're waiting for a deer, but I'm pretty sure all the deer are hidden.
Bell.
Yeah, they're probably hidden too. They're up north a little bit more.
Bell.
Bear, go away. It's a nice morning, even though it's a little cooler and rainy. It's actually not that cool, for fall. November's approaching. It's actually a pretty nice day, but the rain, that's coming. But in a few months, it's gonna be snow. Ooh. Perfect time to drink some coffee outside. Right, Everly? It's pretty nice just to sit out here. So if you can see that tree right there, see how the top broke off before. There's a few other ones. The one right behind it. Yeah? Do you see? Yeah, we can't see. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
He wants to say hi. Hi. Yummy.
Mommy.
Yummy. Oh man. So this one fell not too long ago. Just a small one, but hi. What do you see? Yeah, you see all those.
Apple.
Yeah? Brr. Brr. I'm waiting for a top of a tree to fall. I think that'd be really cool to see, as long as you're protected here. There's only been like 3 times I can remember being in the woods, and it wasn't even during a wind or rainstorm. It was pretty calm. It just the branch gave up and it finally broke. And there's one time here I was outside. Yeah, I know. And it broke over here to the front, to like the right of me. Dub 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 dub. And that was a pretty loud bang. It was a pretty big branch, like the size of a small tree. And that was over there. And the second time was down by the creek. One fell right by the bridge. And I didn't really see them, but I saw it like 2 seconds later. But you can hear it, man. It's so loud. I thought it was a full tree falling. It'd be kind of interesting to see it actually fall. We're living in the woods, so that's what you get. What do you think, Everly? Aww. Wow, look at those trees, Everly. Look at the trees. Yeah? What do you see? Is that an orange peel? Yeah. Uh-huh. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. What's your scared face? Like this. What's your happy face? Happy face. Is that your shocked face? What's that? What's that? Look how fast your hair is growing. Wow, look at all that hair. You got more hair than me. Look at, see how it's curly hair in the back? It's hard to see right now, but wow. Maybe next year you'll have long hair. Hi. Wow. Did you get some water? Wow. Wow, you got it in your hair. What do you think of the weather? You like it? Hello. Yeah, you got rain in your hair. Is it wet? Wet? It's loud, isn't it? Yeah, your shoes. You go like this. You want to sit down? Can you kick your feet out there? Right here. Wow, look at that. Hasn't been this windy in a while. What'd you find? Ooh, wow. Thank you. At least it's not that cold yet. It's windy though. Say cheese.